Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a book named One or Two Combinatorial Problems from the Training of USA IMO Team, written by Titu Andreescu and Feng. This book is majorly helpful for problem seekers of Olympiad, but it is also useful for combinatorial thinkers out there. In this book, there are 102 problems as the name suggests, and it is divided into two sections majorly. One is introductory and the other one is advanced. So introductory is followed by advanced, and the major highlight of this book is that they have solution to each and every problem, and it's an elaborate solution. But they do miss the theoretical approach towards the problems. So let us take a closer look into the contents of the book. So here is the front cover of the book. The name is written along with the authors of this book, and it is a Springer publication. So here you go with the description of the authors. So Titu Andreescu is a well-known author in Olympiad domain. And as you progress, you will be able to see the contents. So first section is the introductory problems. As we discussed, they are easier than the advanced problems. So the level of these problems range from AMC to AIME, or in terms of Indian Olympiad, they go from IOQM to RMO. And the second section is advanced problems, and their difficulty is comparable with the USAMO, or in terms of Indian Olympiads, say INMO. So they each contain 51 problems, and the third section and fourth section will be the solution to introductory and advanced problems respectively. So let's take a look into the questions and followed by one solution. So we'll just take an example of them. So here you go with some strategies to solve the questions. I feel that this is quite important for you to parse through them. They will give you strategies to tackle the problems in the exam as well as outside the exam. But primarily, you have to solve the question, because usually in Olympiads, it's not about the time constraint. It's about your experience and the practice outside the time, without time constraints. That is the most prominent part of preparation. So coming to the abbreviations, here you can see all the exams from which the problems are inspired. So these problems are used for the USAMO training camp, and they are derived from AHSME and AIME, AMC, ARML, IMO, USAMO, MOSP, Putnam, and the St. Petersburg Math Olympiad. So you can now understand how diverse and eclectic the collection of problems are. So some basic formulas and set theories followed by the questions. So you can have a look. The introductory problems are quite short and sweet. So as I mentioned, these problems are not only for Olympiad aspirants, they can also be explored by combinatorial thinkers like who love combinatorics in their day-to-day life. So in the exam point of view, of course, this is helpful for Olympiads. So you have 51 problems, and then you go with the advanced. Here the questions are a bit lengthier as they try to impose a lot of constraints and set up for the system that they are trying to elaborate here. So there will be some graph theory as well in between. For example, I particularly liked this 37th question, which is on musicians. So you can take a look into this. And let's go to solutions. So as you could see, for some questions, they have provided with two solutions, not only one. First solution followed by second solution. And if you read through the strategies mentioned initially, they had clearly stated that thinking about alternate solution to each and every problem you encounter is an important part of Olympiad preparation. So have that in mind and approach problems with different strategies and ideas. So the solution length would be shorter as expected for introductory problems, and followed by you have solutions to advanced problems, which are usually lengthier due to their difficulty level. So the problems are only stated with their solutions. There are no concepts that can be found in this book. If you want to be more consolidating your ideas and conceptual knowledge, please refer to book named Principles and Techniques, which we will be, of course, doing a book review soon. So I hope you will enjoy solving this book as I did. So try to tackle the problems first by yourself, then go through the solutions given. Do not go through them right away, or at least give 1 hour for each problem before going through the solution. You can actually go through first part of the solution after an hour and give a second shot at the problem. And even if you are not able to get some idea, then you may view the complete solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will do more book reviews in the future. Thank you everyone. Bye.